Good morning, everybody. It's me, Tommy Pickles. Have a fun time watching. Well, woke up this morning and there's so many things on my mind. All the window covers are pretty much done. Now it's time to work on the electrical system. I did order a roll of thin slate. It was funny because the thin slate was out of stock and it was saying wouldn't ship until July. And yesterday I look at it again and it's in stock and it's even cheaper. Because when I was looking at it, it was $219. This time when it came up, it was only $176. So, for good advice, I'm telling you, just go to Amazon, have all that stuff in your wish list, and check it every day whenever you're not buying something, because sometimes those prices will drop dramatically. I mean, that's like a $50 drop right there, so that was pretty incredible. I also ordered a motion alarm. I'll get to that in a minute. And I ordered some Dicor to do my fan on top and do the shore power on the side. That's all coming through the mail. Today I think I'm gonna go to Harbor Freight and we're gonna look for some washers. And maybe some other things that we need inside here. One thing I noticed is on my last trip, we were working in Chalmette yesterday, all the sockets jumped out of their case, so I have to pick those up this morning. I was too lazy to do last night. I just went to sleep, so I'm gonna pick those up and then we're gonna head to Harbor Freight, I think. I gotta tell you, Harbor Freight is like Disneyland to me. I love shopping here. I already stacked up a bunch of stuff right over here. Not this, but this stuff. A bunch of washers, screws, and wire cutters, because I can't find my wire cutters. And I need to get a new knife, because I can't find that yet either. But I wanted to show you guys something. This is the inverter section right here. And I gotta caution you, when I looked for inverters here, I didn't find anything that did pure sine wave. Now, if you run a laptop, it has to be on a pure sine wave, because that and lithium batteries charging, it could screw them up if they're not pure sine wave, if it's a modified wave or something like that. So be careful. Now it's great being out here. Every hour I was in there, I was spending more and more money. But now if you look over here, there's a Dollar Tree here, which is good because I'm gonna shop there for some more foam board the foam boards, and then over there's a Family Dollar, and maybe they have some of them too. Ooh, it was good to check. Oh yeah, I found new foam boards, yay, at Dollar Tree. So here's the skinny. I was in Dollar Tree and I was looking for staples because I have to use a stapler for those foam boards connected to the Reflectix, because the heat is actually peeling them apart, because it is really hot here in Louisiana. It might work in other places, but unless I find another solution, I have to use staples, and I'm going to staple the Reflectix to the foam board. But the staples that I found in Dollar Tree weren't really quality. I mean, they worked, but the problem was there was no refills for them. Family Dollar. I ended up going to Dollar Tree again and bought 3 little staplers because it was just so much easier doing that instead of going everywhere looking for a stapler, and we'll see how that works. See, this is one of my window covers here. And then as I was driving, look at this. I found out that it was actually coming unglued. So what I'm gonna try is staples through the Reflectix, and then we'll see if that actually holds it together better. I mean, the glue was supposed to really work well because it's 3M Super 77, but I think the foam board is too porous for it. So after stapling it, it seems to be holding pretty well. And that's how it fits in the window inside the crevices there. And it keeps the light out on the outside because the back side is all black. It's gonna improve in the future. I do have to say, these staples from Dollar Tree are not the best. These are the staples from Dollar Tree, and every time I staple, it seems to get jammed up, and I have to unjam it and then staple again. It's a big pain in the butt, and I do think 500 staples will solve my problem, but I bought 3 just in case. Well, I hope you enjoyed my videos today, and I hope to have some more tomorrow. Right now, it's just taking care of little things. I'm really not pleased with the window covers right now. I think I'm gonna go a different way, like make envelopes of the Reflectix and then slide the foam board in it. Remember, like my video, subscribe to my videos, and also comment if you like. Remember, you can always hit that bell on the top there that says notifications, and then you can be notified every time I have a video out. It's great to have you guys watching me, and I hope to have some more videos in the future. Thanks, bye.